Given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
Good morning, Gym Squad. So this is gonna be a short video to let you guys know what's been going on. So as you know, tomorrow is the weigh-in. I exercised one day this week for 40 minutes. And I'm gonna get some exercise today because I'm going to do Amazon Flex. I just wanted to come on here and do like a little quick video. So I've been detoxing and I've been eating right. So I haven't seen a change, or the detox wasn't making me go to the bathroom as I thought it was going to make me do. And y'all, I ate Thanksgiving at my in-laws yesterday. Not Thanksgiving, Jesus, Christmas. I ate Christmas dinner. I'm gonna have to cut that out. I ate Christmas dinner at my in-laws yesterday. And let me tell you, boy, was that food good. And it was a lot of carbs. It was everything. And my stomach never, ever, ever messed up eating at my in-laws' house on Christmas. This morning, I put two and two together. It's the detox, working, pushing all the bad food out. And so I'm a little congested because the weather keeps changing and I'm just congested. First, it was my daughter. Now she's all the way better. Now me and my husband are congested. I've been taking airborne vitamins, been having my vitamins, and then I'm going to get some more vitamins from TLC and supplements and things like that. But so far, I love it. Now I just need to tone my body the way I want to tone my body. Lose these arms and tone them up. So I'm investing in myself. I'm about to work on getting me some weights, leg bands. I think I want leg weights, but we're going to get that last because I'm trying to get these, glutes and stuff on point. So, period, I'm going to take you guys in a typical workout day one day when I'm working out at home. But I just wanted to come tell you guys because I left you guys hanging on day 21. Vlogmas failed for me. It failed for me, period. It just failed. So that's what I have going on right now. And it's just like running me to the bathroom. So I'm about to open up some waters and drink them so that I can kind of flush myself out. And then I'm still going to take some detox probably when I get home from doing Amazon Flex, which is my tea. When I don't take my tea, I find myself swelling up a little bit. But I'm just trying to get my body used to this flushing syndrome thing I got going on right now. And once I'm used to it, then I probably could drink that tea anytime. But I love it because my hands swell so bad that at first it was just making me do number one, like, urinate. It wasn't making me go to the bathroom like every other person saying. But today, because I ate bad yesterday, it's taking me there. So I'll come back with more updates throughout the day, but your girl gats to go. Y'all, so I'm on lunch, y'all. So let me tell you, I do not feel good, y'all. I'm just going to keep it a band with y'all. I do not feel good. I was supposed to go and do Amazon Flex tonight, but the way that I'm feeling with my throat, it's like I don't think I need to go outside in the cold, but I will make up my mind. But right now, y'all, that's not what I got on here for. Right now, I will eat my lunch now because I'm on lunch, and I got a salad, a BLT salad with some chicken strips on it. So I want to eat that. I don't even know what the calories is it on there, but I'm surely going to eat it. And I just want you guys to see how this detox is doing me. So let's close this because I was doing laundry. So this is how my stomach looks. This is how my stomach looks. I don't know if y'all can tell a difference, but baby, I can. Okay, this detox is wearing a bit out. You feel me? So at first I was just, urinating a lot. But like I stated before, I ate crazy yesterday, and now I'm paying for it, basically. But I got my water in, so I'm gonna eat this salad because I'm scared to eat anything else, child. Scared to eat anything else. And I got this from Wawa because I had ordered me some tea earlier. And so here is the salad. I should have got some extra dressing, but I didn't. But I have some balsamic vinaigrette in the refrigerator, so I'm gonna eat that for lunch, y'all. And I basically talked to y'all late tour. They gave me this little teeny tiny tail wrench, but I don't know what that's gonna do. So I might have to pull my balsamic out that junk. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and do balsamic and put this wrench up because I don't understand what I thought I was doing. Oh, excuse me. I don't understand what I thought I was doing with the wrench anyway. So this is 70 calories. And I'm going to put that on my salad. So I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. This is my salad. It's the BLT salad. And I just sprinkled some balsamic vinaigrette on there. And it's the 2 green salad. So I have spinach and mixed greens in here. So that's my lunch. And I'm basically going to sign off over here. I'm probably going to do another update when I finish my full bag of Ioso tea. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'm planning on getting me some NutriBurst and some more Ioso tea. I love this. I love this tea, y'all. And I've been incorporating the exercise with this as well. Today, I did 15-second of plank. I'm going to do some more exercises later on when I get off. But right now, I'm going to enjoy my lunch, drink my water, poop, pow. And I'll talk to y'all later.